Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about upgrading the car radio on your 2012 Jetta to enhance your driving experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a beginner, this guide will help you navigate the upgrade process. First off, the 2012 Jetta is a classic compact sedan known for its reliability and comfortable ride. However, the factory car radio can feel outdated, and upgrading it can significantly improve your driving enjoyment and convenience. Let's start by understanding the two common types of factory car radios in the 2012 Jetta: the RCD Series and the RNS Series. The RCD Series radios are basic models that typically come with Bluetooth for hands-free calls and music streaming. However, they lack advanced features like CarPlay and Android Auto and can't play videos. If you're someone who desires more functionality, the RCD Series might feel limited. In contrast, the RNS Series radios offer superior sound quality and more advanced multimedia features. If your Jetta is equipped with an RNS radio, you'll want to maintain or improve this high standard when upgrading. The first upgrade option is a factory upgrade, such as purchasing an RCD 360 series radio. These radios not only retain the Bluetooth functionality but also add wireless CarPlay, making everyday use much more convenient. A reputable brand like SKUMax offers RCD 360 radios that are easy to install and highly compatible with most Jetta models. The second option is to upgrade to an Android head unit. The market for Android head units is vast, but choosing the right one can greatly enhance your experience. Here are some key parameters to consider. The CPU determines the performance and speed of the head unit. A quad-core CPU can handle basic functions like CarPlay, but if you plan to watch HD videos, run complex apps, or play games, the quality of the display is crucial. IPS screens are standard and offer good clarity and color. For the best visual experience, an octa-core CPU is recommended. Consider OLED or 2K screens. Avoid screens below IPS quality as they tend to have lower resolution and clarity. Look for head units with DSP digital signal processor to enhance sound quality. If you're aiming to match or exceed the sound quality of the original RNS radios, DSP is essential. When choosing and installing a new head unit, consider the following. Ensure the new head unit is compatible with your car's existing systems, including steering wheel controls and the rear-view camera. Incompatibility can lead to a poor user experience. Opt for well-known brands and reliable products to ensure stability and longevity. A stable system reduces the risk of malfunctions and enhances driving safety. If you're on a budget or only need basic functionality, consider a portable car radio. These devices usually cost around $100 and are easy to install. Simply connect them to a power source and pair them with your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. There are ultra-cheap head units available for under $100, but they often come with significant downsides like poor performance, subpar sound quality, and limited compatibility. For those looking to add CarPlay functionality, it's important to be cautious and avoid sacrificing quality for a low price. A CarPlay module can be an option. These modules can be inserted into the factory radio to enable CarPlay, but they only work if your original radio supports the basic CarPlay interface. If your car doesn't come with CarPlay, this solution won't be feasible. I hope today's video has been helpful. If you have any questions about upgrading your car radio, leave a comment below. We'll address your questions in future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.